Every great story begins with the place, and every place hides a journey. Today we are turning a simple map into a moving narrative, revealing locations and the way documentaries bring history to life. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create this type of smooth documentary style map animation inside DaVinci Resolve. So I have created a timeline like this is 1080p by 30 frames per second, and shift space and add a fusion composition right here and open in the fusion page. And this is our media out. Go and grab a background node, connect to this media out, and now for a better understanding we'll make it red. Go and grab the world node and place it right here, and go and grab the transform node, and now we will adjust it like this. Okay, this time we will go to this color corrector node and we will add this like this, and go here and decrease the saturation completely. So this is our map. Okay, so hit Ctrl C and now go and grab the image of India and we will place it right here. So ignore these problems and hit Ctrl V, and before that go and grab a background node, connect to this media and go and grab this transform node. So you can see map right here. So now we will place it right here. Okay, and now go and grab a transform node, and this time adjust the pivot. I did a mistake, I think. Okay, so I will delete all of these and I will make sure that the pivot is right here. So you can see the position, and go and grab the India node again and connect to this, and ignore this problem. Hit Ctrl V and go and grab a background node, connect to this mask output and connect to this like this. Okay, and we'll go to background node and we'll make sure the color is blue, and go to merge, go to apply mode and select the darken option, and we will adjust it later. But before that, go and grab the China PNG, go and place it right here and hit Ctrl C, Ctrl V and place it like this. I think it will not adjust completely, so we will have to adjust it manually. So before that, go and grab a color corrector node and place it right here. Make sure the saturation is full and it will look the hue, and it will look like this. Go again, go to the merge, apply mode, darken, and this time we will zoom it like here and adjust this map. So now we'll go and grab the transform node. Okay, and make it fit like this, you can see. Okay, and go and increase it like this. Okay, and now go and grab the image of our Prime Minister Modi ji and place it right here. Okay, and like Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I think I'll have to like make sure it is small enough and place it right here. And now go to this transform option and select to this merge option. So our like subject is masked under the shape, so make sure to adjust this. Like if you know like how to adjust this, means I know how to mask this, but I don't know how to like overlap this because I don't want this part to appear. So if you know, please tell me in the comment section. So I am teaching what I am learning. So okay, and adjust it like this, and now go and grab the image of Xi Jinping and like make space and go and grab like this. Okay, so hit Ctrl C, hit Ctrl V and place it right here and scale it up like this. Now it's completely fine. And now go this transform to this mode, so it will mask the subject. And now if we like do like this, you can see I have to zoom it like how to make these type of animation. Means I know how to mask these, like you are seeing that, but I don't know like how to, it is trapped, the subject is trapped. So I just want to like, I want this type of animation, like the bottom side, I want the bottom side should be masked and the upper side should not mask, like. And I didn't get any tutorial of that. I'm also learning and I'm teaching you what I am learning. So please, if you know, then tell me how to do it by telling in the comment section. And at first go and adjust it like this. The image is too big, I think. Okay, so it will look like this. So now go and grab a color corrector node and place it right here. And this time we will increase the contrast a little bit, and I will increase the saturation like this. I think it's fine. And before and it is after, it is like doing great. So please don't get confused by these nodes, like I have told you how to do it step by step. So like I hope you will you got what I mean. So place it right here. So I will adjust all of these. And now one thing that I forgot, like I understood now, go and grab a Gaussian blur and like go and grab a ellipse and connect to like this. Now place it right here. Okay, so to avoid this problem, hit Ctrl P and go to Gaussian blur, go to this section and like right click expression and connect to this. And now like it will look like this. So do it like here and increase the soft edge like this and press the invert option and go and go to the Gaussian blur option and decrease, like it's completely zero, you can see right here, and it is completely full. So definitely we don't need it completely full, but to make a pro animation we have to adjust it in between like this. So it's before, it's after. So hit Ctrl P. You can see right now like this is before, this is after. It can help viewers to focus on the main thing. And we have to now just keyframe it, like go here, transform, 0 frame, go and grab tap on the size keyframe and go to 60 frames, tap on this again, and this time you have to just zoom it like this. And now go to spline, check all these boxes, Ctrl A, S, and make it like this, 47. So now I am seeing the animation, so it will look like this. We'll apply motion blur later. So before that, go to this Gaussian blur option, go to this first frame and go to around 40 frames, I think, keyframe this again and go to 15 frames and keyframe this again, go to first frame and uncheck this, we don't need like the early keyframe, and go to previous frame and decrease it. So this time it will look like this. And now like we have to animate all of the precedents and PMs. So go to this transform button, go to 40 frames, tap on the center X keyframe, go to 60 frames, tap on this again, go to previous frame and place it right here. You have to adjust it like this. Go to spline, Ctrl A as zoom to fit, and this time uncheck the lock option and adjust like whatever you like, and I think it's enough. I think it's good. So go to 60 frames, tap on this keyframe and go to center option, go to 80 frames, keyframe this again, go to previous frame and like decrease it like this, Ctrl A S and make it like 46 and 44. I think I should increase it more. So yeah, it's looking nice, and like now this time it is looking nice. I think it's lagging too much just because the image, the resolution of the image is like above 4K. I have exported it in QGIS, so if you want tutorial then comment. So this is the animation, and our animation hasn't finished yet. Go to this transform, go to settings and check the motion blur, and 5, I think it's enough, and you don't need to like change this. If you want you can really play, but I think it's good, and I will apply all of the same setting. Okay, so motion blur like separates a pro editor from a average editor. So go to this again, go to select motion blur and do like this. It's good, I think. So this is our final animation. And that's how you transform a simple map into a story the viewer can follow. If your journey with the tutorial was worth it, like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next adventure.